Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off accidental touch on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, if you ever had this problem on your device, and then you can solve it by doing the following steps. First thing first, you can open the settings menu. After that, here you can select display option. Well, and then here you can scroll down, and then you can turn off this option, accidental touch protection. Okay, and then the accidental touch on your device is successfully disabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off the accidental touch on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.